Hello, everyone. Thank you so much to the invitation. Thank you, Hugo. It's a pleasure to be here to be presenting Sonae, a company where I work. And before I speak about Sonae, let's give you a glimpse about myself, just to allow you to do the judgment in the end if this is a credible testimony or not. So my name is Fátima Silva. I've been working for Sonae for 2 years with IT strategy and recently with UX chapter and also Agile chapter. So I think that's why I'm here today. And speaking about Sonae, what's the beauty about Sonae? What's the beauty about this company? Why it's so funny and so challenged to work with us? So let me give you the Fatima answer and not the corporate answer. During this time, I've been collecting some information, and I have two main factors to believe in this sentence. I believe that the first one is Sonae create the first supermarket in 1985, was the first hypermarket at Sonae, but also the first supermarket in Portugal. And since then, we've been growing from the food grocery concept to fashion, to sport, to electronic, to machines, to shoes, to everything. Can you imagine our IT process, our process, our IT architecture, we ensuring that we have our supply chain and our stores available every time to deliver these different products, since rice, milk, yogurts, shoes, clothes, and machines to our customers? Can you imagine our IT architecture? That's one of my factors. The second one is a huge one, a one that I really believe it's the one that are making different. And this one is our human factor. We have a huge, convict, and really, really awesome human factor. The people that make everything of this happen and make everything possible. And I will give you only one example. An example of one person that you will see in the video that I will present afterwards, and his name is Carlos. Carlos has been working with us for 25 years, and he started with us as a cashier while he was studying. After he finished his studies, he became a developer at Sonae, and after that, he became a Scrum Master. He implemented our first Scrum team 8 years ago. And Carlos recently is one of our Agile coaches. And this is the beauty about our people. We have people with us for 25 years. We have people with us for 14 years, for 10 years, for 50 years. Yeah, we have it. And we have people that join us, left, and come back, like my case. It's my second time in Sonae. And on top of that, we also have fresh graduates, people that want to start their journey with Sonae. We have new people, new students. So we have this challenge to have these multi-generator layers that we need to work every day. Combining that with the complexity that we have in our IT portfolio, with more than 400 products, and the complexity that we have at our business with different maturities, this is our context with these three dimensions of complexity: people, portfolio, and people, portfolio, and different business. And with this context and with this background, we are now implementing Agile because we want to be better. And we have this sentence, better together. We want to deliver more. We want to be differentiated in the market and deliver more to our customers. But better than me telling you this story, because I'm just Fatima, I have with me some friends that will tell you their part. Thank you so much. And if you have any doubt, join me in my breakout room.
Sonae is a food retailer market leader in Portugal. Over the last 3 decades, Sonae has been strengthening its leading position in the food retail sector in Portugal that has currently a business volume that reaches up to 5 million euros. Through our portfolio of a multi-format business that integrates a different set of insignias, we offer our customers a wide range of high-quality products and services at competitive prices. Buckle up and learn more about us in the following minutes.
Sonae is the Portuguese leader in the food retail sector in Portugal, with over 30 years of continuous growth through several store formats. Continente, our hypermarkets, Tu Bom Dia, our small proximity stores, as well as Continente Online, our e-commerce business, and Meu Super, our proximity franchise stores. Sonae is also present in various spheres of our clients' lives through complementary growth businesses such as Wells and Arnal, our parapharmacies, Dr. Wells, our dental and aesthetic clinics, Go Natural, our organic supermarkets and restaurants, Baga, coffee shops, and The Notes, our stationery, books and gifts, just to name a few.
Sonae MC is the leading food retailer in Portugal, the #1 in grocery retail, the #1 in grocery retail e-commerce, the #1 in healthy nutrition and parapharmacies. We privilege the convenience and shopping experience of our customer by placing at your service a network of national stores combined with a leading e-commerce platform in Portugal. We offer access to discounts and benefits in a wide network of reference partners to more than 4 million of Portuguese families. In Sonae MC, innovation is the result of a common will. This way of being and thinking gives us a competitive advantage, allowing us to answer to the constant technological evolution and the demand of the consumers. We have teams working in more than 400 projects, working with all the business units, stores, supply chain, customer, e-commerce, people and others. We work every day to be our best, promoting a collaborative environment in a healthy and inclusive workplace.
BEAT is the IT department of Sonae MC, 500 techie retailers who live for the business and technology breakthroughs. We are bigger than a lot of tech companies. Driven by disruptive solutions and innovation, we are compelled to always be at the leading edge of the technological solutions that will improve our customers' shopping experience, not only at the supermarket, but also online. As pursuers of the digital transformation and acceleration, we meet the challenges head-on, focused on creating value for our customers. As an Agile company, at Sonae MC, we keep up to the changes of our customers' behaviors and expectations in an ever-increasingly digital world. We want to be more agile and faster in order to maintain our position as retail market leader and instigate digital maturity to a standard where it becomes a way of life.
So that's a tough question because here at BEAT we are overachievers and nothing that we do is ever easy breezy. But if I had to pick one, I would say the initiative we are now launching. Being a part of the Lean and Agile way allowed me to have a unique perspective and a front row seat to what we are doing in a company. Being part of the team that is disseminating the Agile mindset to all Sonae MC and having my input and perspective heard is a challenge and experience I wouldn't trade for anything.
Our most challenging project is Lean and Agile Way, where we are accelerating the Agile mindset disseminating at Sonae MC to help business growing, ensure homogeneity, create transparency and clarify it for our product teams. We are behaviors, influencers and coaches. I've been at Sonae for a couple of decades. I work in Waterfall for many years and I was part of the implementation of the first team working on Scrum framework as Scrum Master. It seemed like yesterday, but it's been 7 years.
Focus on people, promoting trust and collaboration, team performance, time to market, return of investment, customer satisfaction, response to market dynamics.
We start our biggest transformative project to change our company way of work and spread Agile as a mindset. An Agile transformation is about removing the split between IT and business units and fully integrated technology in a business. We strongly believe that we will be more efficient, effective, and adding more value to our final customer if we have this capacity to decide and deliver in a shortened time cycles. We want to deliver more, but more means oriented to our customer needs and journey, more alignment and expectation, and more incremental. With the velocity that we have as a context, and in particular in IT, this will be more and more a competitive advantage for us. We want to keep being market leaders. However, it's important to differentiate ourselves in the market with this capacity to adapt and improve our customer experience.
I believe that in a company as complex and fast-paced as Sonae, having an agile mindset is essential to ensure full alignment and visibility through the density and the codependency of all the projects being developed. With this reality, the typical waterfall falls short to ensure efficiency and efficacy throughout development.
Without a doubt, the most valuable achievement of the Lean and Agile way is the change of mindset, the drive to be hands-on, to be part of a solution, to always say, what can I do to help? Instead, it's not my problem.
We pursue our most valuable achievement regardless of the project lifecycle model, such as we are accelerating the agile mindset, we need to be part of the solution, be always the help instead of saying the basics, it's not my problem.
We clearly believe that we are leveraging additional value from the Agile methodology, and this was only possible because we actually committed some of our best resources as Marta to these teams, and also because we already work as a single team, ignoring hierarchy, ignoring what are the individual goals, and working together towards collaborative goals. Don't you agree, Marta?
Yes, it absolutely changed everything. We started to work as a team all together, all with the same goals, each one having an active voice in the product development. There are no more IT teams and business teams, just one team with the same goal and speaking the same language. And although being a big company, we started to work as a startup, much more closer to the customer, listening what they want and what they miss. And this led to one of the most important changes. We started to take risks, and that is a huge change in the big corporation that for many years is the market leader. But now we are willing to try, to fail better in the next time, because we analyze all the things that we do. And the results are there.
Agile is an interactive approach to project management and software development that helps our teams deliver value to our customers. Our teams will deliver work in small but completed increments. Planning and delivering in small increments lets teams gather feedback on each change and integrate it into future plans at small cost. Requirements, plans, and results are evaluated continuously so teams have a natural mechanism to respond to change quickly.
Working at Sonae MC implies working at a thriving ecosystem. For one, you are working at scale, impacting millions of Portuguese consumers. On the other hand, you are also working based on diversity, which means that we have several people from several backgrounds working collaboratively towards joint goals, but also it means working on a diverse business context. This means that ranging from grocery retail stores to coffee shops, passing through stationery shops to pet services, you have different challenges from different contexts that you can address. From a technological standpoint, you have several foundational platforms that you can build on. You have expertise that you can build on and you can work collaboratively. You have tooling, you have automation, CI/CD and so forth that also enable you to deliver value faster to the business. And so we believe that we have all the conditions for you to thrive and also achieve your goals and ambitions.
I worked for 4 years in Sonae MC, and since day one, every day has been crazy. I was challenged to do things that I had no idea that I was capable of. I work for Cartão Continente, that is the biggest loyalty program in Portugal, and actually an international case study because we have 4 million families holding a Continente card. This is 80% of Portuguese families, almost everyone. And this is a huge responsibility too. Every day we have to find different and innovative ways to create customer engagement. And IT is one of the key things in our business. In the last years, we had led our digital transformation, launching an app that has now 1.5 million users. And working in Agile changed everything. This is being a crazy and incredible journey.
I am thrilled to make part of Sonae MC and can't wait for the future challenge.
There's no way I can put all that excitement in one word.
This is the way.
Doing the things right.
Challenge.
Are you ready to accelerate?
Yay!